DELTAGEN 2018 Hub. In this tutorial video, we want to show you how you can add more realism to your scene by adding image-based lighting and generating shadow textures. Light setup, image-based lighting. At first, we want to switch off the headlight, which is the default light source for every scene in DELTAGEN, before creating a light setup. Now we add a local surrounding to our scene by choosing Scene, Create Geometry, Studio IBL. Drag the Studio IBL local surrounding to the top of your scene tree and delete the empty group. Real light, creating shadow textures. Let's now create a plane which will catch the shadow of the geometry on the ground. By default, the plane is too small, so we need to scale and move it until it fits. Keep the plane selected and choose Render, Real Light, Generate from Preset, Ambient Occlusion, High Quality. Using these presets is a quick way to render shadow textures, but you can also adjust the settings for a perfect high quality setup. Select the main group that contains your geometry and choose Window, Generate Real Light. Change the shadow texture UVs to Create New and pull up the Details slider to 20. Check Merge Vertices and set the value to 0.03. At last, check the Use Segmentation, which helps to avoid overlapping polygons and unwanted self-shadowing. When clicking on Generate, the calculation process will start and shadow textures will be created for all objects within the selected group. Switches are also taken into account. Once the generation is done, selecting a shell object and choosing the Illumination tab in the Object Editor shows the shadow texture that has been applied.